I'm Akansha. You might recognize me from my Scoopoo Poke Tested videos or might not. But this is my first YouTube video on my own channel, and there's a very specific reason I'm doing this video. And the reason has to do with my wedding. Now, I'm not the person who invested a lot of emotions or hopes in my wedding. I wasn't really looking forward to my wedding. I wanted to have a court wedding, but I forgot कि हम दोनों के Indian माँ बाप हैं, so that couldn't happen. But एक requirement थी मेरी, that I look very nice on my wedding day. So when I was getting married, my younger sister was just trying to break into makeup artist career. And she said she'll do my makeup for free. And I was like, oh, great, पैसे बच गए. और उसने मेरा मेकअप किया. And I was pretty happy with it. Till 2 days back, like 2 दिन पहले, मेरी बहन ने मुझे कुछ बताया. इधर आ, इधर आ. बताओ लोगों को क्या बोला तूने?
एक्चुअली मेकअप इतना अच्छा हुआ नहीं था.
तुम्हारे कहने का मतलब क्या है कि मेकअप उतना कुछ खास हुआ नहीं था?
मतलब ये है कि अगर अभी हम वो मेकअप कर रहे होते तो आई वुड हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स डिफरेंटली.
लाइक व्हाट बिच?
लाइक एवरीथिंग.
So that is the reason you're watching this video. This bitch is gonna do my makeup again because she didn't do it very well the first time. Although I didn't pay her for it, but she's gonna make up for my wedding day. क्योंकि
मेकअप अच्छा नहीं हुआ था.
क्यों बार बार बोल रही हो तुम ये बात? चल चल मेकअप कर मेरा. Finally, I'm here for the makeup. ठीक है. I hope she doesn't screw it for me again. जिंदगी disappointment हो गई जब से लड़की पैदा हुई है. ठीक है. I was the youngest. Then she came into our lives. Hopefully, she'll make up for it today with makeup. Makeup with makeup. बहुत funny है. Anyway, so I put up this wedding blouse after 2 years, and it's depressing for 2 reasons. First, it's bringing back all the anxieties of my wedding. And secondly, this fucker is tight now. I feel like a wrestler. So clearly, I have gained weight. It's not like मेरे को subconsciously नहीं पता था ये, but I like living in denial. So the video was about makeup. Now it's about body issues suddenly. अरे makeup करो. Makeup.
It has to be this way.
What do you mean it has to be this way? I already have lenses.
No,
God given lenses. Like ऐसे दिखाई देता है हमको.
इससे भी दिखेगा मस्त 3D. Calm down.
How about we skip the lenses? Guys, I think we should skip the lenses. बढ़िया मार्क रहा है. So I forgot to tell you guys one important bit. I can't see myself till the makeup is done. Everything is done. So I can't give inputs. I have no idea what's happening to my face. So this whole experience is reminding me again why wedding was too intense for me, my wedding. Everything is like elaborate. I have gotten makeup done. I get it done often on the sets. But just eyes are taking so much time. But ain't nobody got time for this shit. इसलिए people just hope they get married only once. I know there are people out there who want to get married again and again just for the experience. And bravo guys, because all ऑलरेडी रिग्रेटिंग दिस। एक तो ये ब्लाउज बहुत टाइट है। बहुत ही खराब मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो तुम। इफ यू गाइस आर वंडरिंग कि हम लोग ऐसे काहे बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब इतना बनावटी एक्सेंट काहे दे रहे हैं,
ये हमारा ओरिजिनल
तो जब हम ऐसे बात करते हैं ना तो ये एक्चुअली हमारा बनावटी एक्सेंट है, और जब हम लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं ना तो ये ओरिजिनल है। ऐसे ही बात करते थे घर पे। Not bad, Ben, not bad. Oh my God, good job. हीरोइन तो हम तब भी थे, अभी भी हीरोइन है, पर मेकअप बहुत अच्छा की हो तुम। प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि उनको 2 साल पहले का मेकअप याद ही नहीं है। Eyes look great, man. राजकुमारी, पुष्पा। It would be great now if I could live like this every day. It just, everything is itching right now. My nose hurts. My ears are about to fall. Everything hurts right now. How was your experience doing this makeup again?
गुड। इस बार आई लाइक इट मोर, मच बेटर देन पिछले टाइम।
Okay, I'll give my honest opinion. ठीक है, your wedding makeup is not the only thing responsible for making you look good. It's also the lighting, the ambience and everything.
Yes.
Because we tried very hard to match the images,
Yeah.
but they couldn't because the lighting was better over there at my wedding.
And also you had mehendi up till here and haldi ka stage.
And we didn't have that dog. So yes, of course I mean I feel abhi bhi after you've done this makeup, I feel like my wedding makeup was not bad. पर हाँ, ये नोटिस किए हम कि तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया विथ मेकअप बिकॉज यू आर रियली स्केयर्ड दैट टाइम। और टेक्निक
It was a lot of stress for us too. We were very stressed.
और टेक्निक भी बहुत बेटर हो गया तुम्हारा, मतलब टेक्निक थूक वूक अब नहीं लगाती हो मुंह में लोगों के।
नहीं, अब थूकते खखारते नहीं।
Yuck, disgusting. I was joking. I just hope अतुल भी होता आज और उसका रिएक्शन रिकॉर्ड कर सकते, बट ही इज अवे फॉर वर्क सो वो नहीं हो पाया, but he'll be watching this video and probably reacting. Hope you guys like this video and tell us in the comment section what you feel about this makeup versus my wedding makeup. Please subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description, and you can subscribe this channel as well. It will encourage me to make more videos, and hope you enjoy this video. अगर नहीं भी enjoy किया तो comment section में बता दीजिए। चलिए, bye bye.